President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had a friendly moment with Peter Obi and Fayemi at the installation of Pope Leo XIV in Rome, Italy. The event, which took place on Sunday, May 18, 2025, marked the beginning of Pope Leo's leadership of the Roman Catholic Church, following the passing of Pope Francis on April 21, 2025. President Tinubu led Nigeria's official delegation to the Vatican. He was welcomed at the Mario de Bernardo military airport by both Nigerian and Vatican officials. Among the Nigerian delegation were Bishop Matthew Azan Kuka and Archbishop Lucius Ugoji. Peter Obi, the 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate, and Fayemi, a former Ekiti state governor, were present at the mass as devoted Catholics and papal knights. According to Bayo Ononuga, the president's special advisor on information and strategy, it was Fayemi who suggested approaching Tinubu. Fayemi said to him, "Mr. President, welcome to our church and thank you for honoring the Pope with your presence." President Tinubu replied with a smile, "I should be the one welcoming you and Peter. I'm the head of the Nigerian delegation." This made everyone around laugh. And Obi added, "Yes indeed, we are members of your delegation." The moment showed mutual respect and unity among the Nigerian leaders, despite their different political views. President Tinubu also met Pope Leo during the ceremony and expressed Nigeria's appreciation for the Vatican's support. He promised to keep promoting peace among people of different faiths. The event was a special day for Catholics around the world and a moment of pride for Nigeria on the global stage. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.